the clever bee. A young man was smelling a road. Out! A bee stung his nose. The young man caught the bee. Look at my nose. Please don't kill me. Let me go, and one day I help you. How can you help me? I don't know yet, but I will. The young man let the bee go. One day the young man saw a notice. Pass the test, and you can marry the princess. But the test was difficult. Many people tried. Everyone failed. Now it was the young man's turn. Look at all the flowers. Only one of them is real. Find the real flower. You can touch or smell the flowers. All the flowers look real. Suddenly the young man heard a bee buzz. The bee whispered to the young man, "Pick the one I sit on." It was the bee he had let go. The bee sat on a flower. The young man picked the real flower. You are very clever. The young man married a beautiful princess.